Hello and welcome back. This is Maurice Green, your senior credit coach for Credit and Entreprenuer LLC. Now I have a question before me that's very interesting. It states, what is the job of credit repair attorneys? Wow. There are not many attorneys that conduct or that even practice law in the credit repair industry, or the perceived credit repair industry, or restoration or debt validation. But there are what we call consumer attorneys, which actually go after companies that are violating consumer laws and things of that nature. And the Fair Credit Reporting Act can play a part in that as well. So I'm not sure. First of all, there's not a whole bunch of attorneys that conduct business in that industry because they don't believe it's a profitable industry, okay? So their job is to protect the rights of the consumer rights, whether they're following the truth in lending laws, the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, which is when collection companies harass you, or even the credit bureaus. If they don't abide by the law, the attorneys have been able to get a settlement. More recently, a lady out of Washington State was awarded almost $18-point-something million from Equifax because of violations of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So, as well with any other attorney, most people don't even know that attorneys exist to do that type of stuff, but there's not a big list of them. So I hope I was able to answer your question. If you want more details about that particular question or any other question that concerns that you may have regarding the Fair Credit Reporting Act, regarding our programs, different options you have for you with enhancing your credit, entrepreneurship, things of that nature, click the link below for your free consultation, or give us a call at the 800 number. This is Maurice Green. I'll see you next time.